Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I am a cash stuffer, a zero-based budgeter, and also I do savings challenges. So this video today will be of me stuffing my savings challenges for the week. Again, this money does not come from a paycheck. I am selling all my inventory from my boutique, so the money for these currently is coming from that. So let's get into it. Okay, so how's y'all's week going? This week we have quite a bit of money to put into these challenges. I made quite a few sales, and I cleaned out my closet and sold some shoes so far. I haven't put the clothes online yet, and I made a pretty penny. So instead of me using that money to buy something crazy, like I know I will, because again, I ain't perfect. I'm not, I still could probably use Shoppers Anonymous. So to stop myself from doing that, I'm giving this money a place, and this current place is in these savings challenges. So this is a little over $1,000. I didn't bring the teller slip with me, so I don't know exactly how much. So this is the money that I'm stuffing. This money, if you watch my last cash stuffing, is the rollover money from my cash envelopes for last week. So we're going to give this money a place at the end of the video. I'm not sure where I want to put it yet, but I will decide by then. By the time this video is up, these will be up 2 days after. If you're wanting to purchase one of these challenge trackers, I'm making them Thursday, which is tomorrow, so hopefully they'll be up by Friday or Saturday. I also have the digital version of them, which you can print out in this size if you just wanted to put it inside of a wallet and laminate them like I did, which is really cute, y'all. I'm obsessed with it this way. Or you can just keep your money and your tracker inside of your envelope. I know not everyone wants a big book, so this option is for people who prefer the smaller trackers. And again, it's the exact same thing, just in a smaller version. Okay, so just thought I'd share that here. These will be up Thursday. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's open up our Baddie challenge trackers here, and as you can see, I went in and filled in my growth. Not for August yet because we're not finished. But up first, we are going to be doing our $10 challenge. And I didn't bring a sheet, so I'm gonna have to pull it off of my iPad here. So, to our $10 challenge, we're going to be adding $40. So we're gonna grab our orange here and fill in 4 lips. How's y'all's week going, guys? Is anybody participating? I know a ton of y'all have purchased these challenges off my site. How is it going for y'all so far? I know I personally love these. I look forward to stuffing these every week. So here's our $10 challenge envelope. I got 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add it in here. So our new total in this envelope is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94. So we now have $400 in our $10 savings challenge, which is really good. So we're gonna go to our tracker here, and our new balance is $400. Okay, so we're gonna move on to our Christmas catch-up challenge. And this challenge is for those people who have just joined the budgeting journey and you maybe want to get $1,000 in your sinking fund by Christmas. You just count up the number of weeks and pick a tree every week, and this should get you done. This will still get you done by Christmas even if you buy it today. So to this challenge, we're going to be adding $81. So I'm not going to pick a bonus tree yet. I'm just going to fill in the top tree here. And thank you all of you guys who have purchased this for me. I work really hard to make these challenges. So I'm glad you guys are so receptive of them. So there's 50, 70, 80, 81. So let's see what we have in here now. Get our money together here. So our new total in here is 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 211. So we now have $211 in our Christmas challenge. So, alrighty. So next up is self-care. And to our self-care challenge, we will be adding $39. So, I'm gonna do this 15 here. That's 9. It's 24. And I believe the 15, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yeah, the 15. So we're gonna do little makeup brushes here. So we are going to keep going. So we've passed our 100 and we're now working on our 300. So we're adding $39 here. So 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $39 to self-care. And this is money you can use whatever self-care is for you, use it for that. Budgeting is great, but you shouldn't neglect yourself. You're important too. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. So we now have $115 in our self-care challenge. So 115. So next up is our emergency fund challenge. And we are going to be adding $90. And y'all, I'm so sorry. I know y'all are like, dang, did she pass pre-K? Just can't color in the lines for nothing. Guess what? Don't come for me. Shoot. 50, 70, $90. And I have $1,000 in my emergency fund, but it's not near enough, so I'm gonna keep doing this challenge until it reaches its goal. 50, 100, 20, 40, so 150, 155, 160. So we now have $160 in our emergency challenge. Okay. Can't even hold the pen. All right. So next up is our 52-week challenge. And to this challenge, we are going to be adding $200. If you can notice, I'm attacking the big numbers first because I may not finish this by the end of the year, but technically I'll finish my 5K challenge because, as you know, I was already doing this challenge. I just moved it over to the book. So we're gonna grab 200 here. So I'm just trying to get as close to 10,000 as I can. I may not reach it, but I also may, you never know. Okay, so our new total in here is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, and 10. So I'm actually going to take this 1,000 out and add in a 1K slip. So we now have $4,010 in our 52-week challenge. Okay. And so this 1,000 will go to my savings account at the bank. So $4,010. And last but not least here, we have our 100 envelope challenge. And I actually don't need this anymore, so I'm going to move it out of the way. So we're gonna go ahead and close this for now and get into our 100 envelope challenge. Oh, and y'all, I also have the little trackers for, you know, the one I use to track, available for the small binders as well. So when you buy this, I throw in this for free, and I laminate it so that you can reuse it. Just an FYI. So let us get to filling our 100 envelopes here. All right, so first up, we have number 69. So 50, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $69 in this envelope. And y'all, I'm going to color every box in today. Good Lord. So 69, there we have it. So let's color that in. Alrighty, so next up we have 71. So 50, 70, and 1. Alrighty. Y'all, I'm so close to being finished with this challenge, and I'm so excited about it. Like, I'm just beyond excited. Okay, so 71. Okay, there's that. Next up, we have 81. So 50, 70, 80, and 1. And these were lots of big numbers this week. But again, luckily, it's just been lining up for me to be able to do this because I sold so much stuff this week. So there's 81, $88. So 50, 70, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have $88 here. Alrighty. Let's see, 81 and 88. See, look, I'm catching myself. I know I missed one. Alrighty, 79. So 50, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These raggedy bills though, ugh. So we have $79 here. All right, number 93 is 50, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3. And if I show y'all how many I have left, y'all are gonna be like, oh my God. Y'all, I'm really gonna save $5,000 in 100 days. Like, it's crazy to me. If y'all knew me a year or so ago, you would be like, girl, you have grown. Okay, 94, 50, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $94 is our last number for this week, I think. Okay, so let's get that covered up. We're almost done with the 90s. So that's it. So let me look at what I have left over from my wallet. So there's 40. So this can go in my $10 challenge, and this can go in my $5 and $1 challenge. So we have $40 here. Let's see what we can do. So let's find number 38, and we'll just add $40 to it. Nothing wrong with a little overage, right? So we'll put this 40 into number 38 here. Okay, so we actually got 8 numbers this week, which is really good. So there's number 38. So that's it for our 100 envelope challenge. As you can see, we only have a few numbers left. I'm super stoked about it, y'all. So ready to be done with this. When I finish this one, I'm going to be starting a 10K challenge that I made. Hold on one second. So I sat down the other week and went ahead, these are just some sample envelopes I ordered, and so I went ahead and wrote out a $10,000 challenge to do in 100 days. I probably can't, I'm gonna be honest with you, I probably can't do it in 100 days, but I'm gonna do it. So you see the numbers are bigger, but I needed a use for these envelopes, so whatever, you know? So once this one is complete, I'm going to immediately jump into that one. So here is our 100 envelope challenge. Here's all that's left. Like, come on, we are killing it. Okay, and these last few bucks here, we are going to add to our $1 challenge. The ones. And our $5 challenge, and which I took out the other day because it did finally reach 100. So we are starting over. Every $100 for the 100 and for the $1 and $5 challenge, I put it into my safe just because it keeps me striving to save more. My envelopes don't get so bulky, and it's easier to track because I have a goal for those for the end of the year. So we're gonna go back to our $10 challenge here and add in this last 10, which I believe gives us $410. And so I will add that. Let me just do it so y'all can see. I will add that onto our tracker here. So we are 9 $10 bills away from $500, which is awesome. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with that money, but glad to have it. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. I love and appreciate you all. Have a good day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.